Hey everyone, Marco with Higgins Energy. Today we are going to be going over cleaning catalyst, specifically in our Hearthstone stoves. So first we're going to get inside here and we have to remove the cotter pin that's in the front of this stove. This is a cotter pin. Once this is removed, we're able to take out the baffle with the plate that's holding it in. All you have to do is lift on the frontwards edge of it. There's a little metal plate that's holding it right behind the air tube bar. So you just gotta lift that and get that over it. So you won't see it yet, but once I lift this up, you'll be able to see that plate right there. And then now the full baffle can just slide forward. Okay, so this long gray rectangular piece, that's your baffle. This metal piece is what's holding it in. The cotter pin goes through the air tube and then is clipping into this hole. So this makes sure your baffle can't just fall down at any point for no reason. And then, once we're in here, you have your catalyst on the right side and left side of this stove. All you need to clean that out is a paintbrush, brush over it, and then I use an air gun. You could get a can of air. You don't want to use any big heavy air compressor. You don't want to ruin the catalyst. Remember, it's precious metal, titanium, palladium, mixture of some other things, so you don't want to ruin that. It is an expensive piece to replace. But once it's clean, we just do the opposite and we start putting the baffles back. Now remember, if you get confused, you have any questions, any concerns, this information is always going to be in your manual. And if it's hard to figure out the manual or you're having a rough time deciphering it, you could always give us a call at Higgins and we'll help take care of you. So once this is in, that plate's in front of the air tube. I want to make sure to lift it up and make sure it goes behind it just a little more. And then once it's behind it, I just put this cotter pin back into the center hole in the air tube. And then we are good to go. Clean catalyst, we are ready to burn. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.